having my Britney breakdown. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna have to put this on my face. Grand, this is what you get. Sexy, sexy. Hey guys, so I'm doing another vlog. Oh yeah, it is literally like 8 in the morning. I'm literally so tired right now because, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's little paw prints running around. This little guy here, Coco. You guys see this little doggy here? He caused me so much trouble last night. He woke me up and then I literally got out of bed like half asleep and I was like, what is this smell? And there was literally shit everywhere, all over the floor. I had no toilet paper. I couldn't open the door because the shit was right by the door. If you guys haven't met Coco, he's actually my sister's dog. Anyways, I have a really busy day ahead of me. I'm actually going to 10 Dental for my last ever dentist appointment because I have a teeth whitening appointment and I also have a filling to do as well. So much fun. And then afterwards I'm gonna go to Freedom Couture and I'm gonna get my wig reinstalled as well. And then I'm also gonna go to Sammy's and also get my nails done as well. So yeah guys, I'm gonna try to start doing more casual vlogs. I'm gonna try to aim to do at least 2 a month. Just something so you guys can get to know me more, because before I used to chat all the time on my Snapchat and I feel a bit disconnected from you guys, and I might even want to start to do weekly vlogs if you guys find me interesting at all. I feel like I'm really boring. I don't know, maybe you guys might hate me and just unsubscribe. Please don't. Please don't subscribe.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell.
Okay guys, so I finally made it to 10 Dental. This is so exciting. My last ever appointment. If you guys don't know, I had my incognito braces taken out. And I'm just doing my final treatment now. I'm going to whiten everything. So I have a at-home whitening kit that I had to take home today. So we're going to like match up the shades. See if I can lighten these damn yellow teeth. This is a sexy angle, isn't it guys?
So first of all, right, so these are the latest specs in the market, okay?
Yep.
They're the most snazzy.
Swipe up to get yours here, guys. So how cool is this, guys? They put on Friends. I can literally watch this while I'm getting my dentist treatment. Okay, guys, so I just got all my fillings and stuff done. My makeup looks a bit crazy right now, but we're going to be starting my whitening now. So we're going to be testing to see what shade my teeth is now and what shade we want to get to.
So this is a normal shade scale. Goes from light to dark. And if you want to go extra light, you've got that as well.
I want to be on this one, guys. This is the goal right here.
That's the goal right there. So right now, I think we're probably about here. So still a really wide smile. You're a cross between these two tabs.
Okay, that's quite good.
Yeah, so you've got a pretty decent shade.
Yeah.
We just want to give it a bit of a lift. So we're going to take some photos now to record what shade you are at the moment.
Okay, so I just finished my dentist appointment and my mouth feels so sore on the side. I have to keep my mouth open for so long. Got all my dentist stuff in here. I can't wait to have like really nice white teeth. And I'm on my way to go meet the Freedom Couture team. Woo! Okay guys, so I'm blonde for the day. New hair, hoodies. I literally haven't eaten anything all day today, so I've got myself a little pretzel and now I literally had to rush to the other side of London. But I'm gonna go see Sammy now and get my nails did, because these nails are crusty looking. This literally smells so good. Oh my god, I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm just like, give me the sugar right now, please. Okay guys, so we are at Sammy's shop now. Look, I'm halfway through doing my nails and I thought I'd let my sister. Hello, here's Sammy. She's the best. And my sister's gonna be doing infills. I just done my infills. I just need to decide on what design and what colour I want. It's so hard. I always say when I go to Sammy's shop, I'm gonna do something nice and simple and natural, and then Sammy brings out all the new stuff and I'm like, I want the glitter, I want everything. Also guys, my wig is like pulling so much tension on my head. I literally want to take it off so bad right now. Oh look, it's flapping here. Oh, see, it's telling me it wants to come off already. The truth is out, guys. I'm having my Britney breakdown. It's like the feeling of like taking off your bra at night time, you know. What do you guys think of my hair underneath? So look, I can go milk some cows. Okay guys, so I literally just got home. I am so tired. It is 11:30 at night time. That's how long it took me and my sister to do our nails. She's just so creative. Would highly recommend her. Her shop is Bare Nails in Oh my god, look guys, look at my hair. I need to go wash it right now. I can't wait to have a shower, take off these lashes. Ah! Take them off! Oh my god, so freaking good. I don't even care if it takes off like 10 of my own lashes. Ah, freedom! I had the wig cap on my head and she put loads of powder on it. That's why my hair looks like this, guys. Okay, guys, it's a new day now. I literally just woke up and I just put on some cream, had a shower and everything like that. I'm actually going to be heading down to Poundland today. I am on the hunt to find Poundland makeup. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous and I've been putting off this challenge because the thought of putting Poundland foundation on my face gives me the chills. Okay, so we're in the car. We've got little Brangleen over here. So, designated driver. And we also have my mummy. So we're going to be taking her around. And I'm actually going to go to Lidl as well because they do the best fruit. They do really, really good mango. Some Poundland makeup. And we're also going to get some food as well. So we found the beauty section. But look at this. What is this? Inflation? £2. This is a £1 store. Maybe I'll try some Poundland skincare. What do you guys think about that? Okay, so I'm gonna try out the micellar cleansing water. Should try a serum as well. I'm actually shook. You guys always tell me that you guys want to see affordable skincare. How much cheaper can we get for £1? So we need a sponge. Literally look like a fucking rock. Oh my god, the lashes look terrible. Oh my god, look guys, they have this. I remember at MAC when they brought this out, it was like such a huge phenomenon and every brush was like £30.
Is that the iconic London stuff?
Oh yeah, Iconic London done this as well. Oh my god, okay, we're gonna get one of those.
That's going in the basket?
Okay, I have no idea what colour I would be. This one's open already. Let's just watch. Oh my god, this is terrible. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna have to put this on my face. This is so pink. Should we get the blusher or the contour kit?
Contour kit, so you have both.
This is Graham's fault if this turns out shit, okay? That's his call. Matte or shine? Let's try both.
Okay, baller.
This is the one time you get to like splash out the cash, you know, and Poundland.
Thuy, come over here. Look, you should try some of this.
You just want me to break out in hives? And this should be the thumbnail. Why would they even keep this? So this is going to bin, woman.
Look at your hands, bro.
Oh my god.
All over you.
Guys, I'm literally getting all sorts of inspiration by being in this Poundland. They've literally got clothing here. But the clothing is like £8. Do you guys want to see a fashion haul trying out Poundland clothing? Let me know down below. I bought this little buddy here. This is from Amazon. It's actually from a brand called Newer. Basically, I want to drill my ring light into the wall, so I want to free up all this space that I have on the table. So this was my table tripod before, and look how much space it was taking up on my freaking desk. So bye Felicia, see ya. So if my genius little idea goes well, I'm gonna do the exact same for my big ass soft boxes that you guys see here. It takes up so much room, all these tripods and all that. So we've got the big daddy drill out. Go on, Grang. Ah! Look at all this mess, you're cleaning this up. Right, the drilling is done, but this hole is a loosey-goosey. She's gaping. The nipple is on the wall.
Need a rubber so I can rub out this.
Look what I have at your rescue. You can have a hamster or a dog. I think
The rubber, is this a rubber toy?
I think they're rubbers.
Oh, it actually works. It's a rubber toy.
Use that dog's ass on the wall, yeah.
Look at you, I'll clean your wall for you.
Oh, please do. Look, like,
mask.
oh no, and it's how done you rubbed it away.
Oh, you saw it now.
So
Look, you broke his head.
Oh my god, you killed Coco.
Thuy's actually clean it for once with
Look,
a floppy
guys.
dick.
I didn't even know we could do this. I've never used this attachment before. Max power and clean. How satisfying is this, guys? I wanted to show you guys what he came up with. He's literally a genius. So before, we had this little thing that came with my ring light, but it's so small and my camera is hefty. My lens is like double the size of a damn camera. So this was not cutting it.
So we stole this at the bottom. Oh. And we're going to put it on here. This big mama Ballhead here.
Which he actually took from another mama daddy tripod that I have, and I just never ever use it. So we're going from this baby to this big mama. Okay, you're doing the honours. I love doing DIY projects like this, guys. I love finding new ways to change things up, ways to make things more efficient. And that was just £11 as well. It's great. Slide that puppy in and secure the motherfucker. Done. Oh my god, it's falling. No! Oh, it's so shaky, I'm scared. Okay, so if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys would know that this is literally a lifesaver. It's a remote control plug socket, and it's all controlled by this. So if I press this button here, all my soft boxes turn off. Woo! This is really good because I don't want to go behind every single softbox and turn off all the buttons. So I can literally just control everything by this one remote. So now I'm going to use this to add in the ring light. So it's going to be the third button. Okay, so we finally set up the ring light. Woo! I haven't had a ring light in so long. I've always used the little light here to illuminate my face, but it's so annoying because sometimes it turns off. So now I could just have my nice ring light here, and there's so much more space. So my monitor is here. If people also ask me what monitor this is, I think it's just from Samsung. You just need to get any monitor that is HD. And people always ask me what camera settings do I use. So my ISO is 200, my shutter speed is 60, and then my aperture is 4.0. Honestly, it will change depending on how much light you have in the room, how much furniture you have in the room as well. I have a lot of white here, so it kind of bounces back. And also, I've got like 5 bulbs per softbox, so it really does depend. So you have to really make sure that you adjust the right settings for your camera for your room. A rule of thumb is that your ISO should never be over 800, I think. Even 800 is quite high, but ISO is what makes it bright, but sometimes if it's too bright it'll wash you out, or it can also look grainy as well. So I shoot on the 80D because I know a lot of people ask as well, and then my lens that I use is a 24 to 70mm lens. But yeah guys, this is my new setup. Hey guys, so it's a couple of days later now, and I literally have been running around London all day today with back-to-back meetings. I was walking past Tottenham Court Road and I was like, oh, there's a huge Primark there. So I took my ass to Primark. So I thought while I'm vlogging for the week, I'll show you guys some bits that I picked up. I spent like £55, but guys, I hardly got anything. Let me know if you guys think Primark is getting a bit too expensive these days. Okay, you ain't no H&M girl, you need to keep your prices low. Okay, we're trying to do this hands-free. This thing is trying to track my ass. I'm trying to get used to this new camera, guys, so please bear with me, okay? By the way, guys, I know I'll get questions on my shirt. This is from Boohoo, and I also filmed a Boohoo haul already on my channel, so go check that out. Okay, it was the last video that I just recently uploaded. So one of the most exciting things that I go to Primark for is their pyjamas. I love their pyjamas. I think that's like the best thing that they have in there. I'm not gonna lie, like their fashion is a very hit and miss. Sometimes you have to like really like look for all the racks to find the good stuff, you know, but most of the times you can always rely on their pyjamas. Like they're always really, really good. So this came in a 2 set. It was £12, and I got in a size small, which is a 10 to 12. I like my pyjamas a bit bigger, you know, at night time. You don't want to be wearing no like tight slinky stuff. I want to be wearing the loosey goose stuff, you know. And I do have to say that this style of pyjama is my favorite, when it's like a long trouser, you know, because your girl ain't gonna be shaving no legs up in here. I love my pyjamas to have a button up rather than it going over my head, especially because when I'm doing my makeup and I'm wearing my pyjamas, it's so annoying afterwards to try to like lift off the pyjamas so that your makeup doesn't get all ruined. So with stuff like this, I can literally just unbutton, get a little saucy, give Gran a little flash or two, and then put on my clothing so I don't ruin my makeup. Then I picked up a little USB cord. This was literally by the till, and that's how they get your ass, okay? Next up, I went to go buy some bras and panties. I'm not gonna lie, guys, since I had my boobies done, I haven't bought any new bras. To be honest, I've been wearing no bra. I've been going bra free, leaving my titties to hang for the gods. They've been dropping down to the floor, sweeping. What I liked about this is that it looks like a sports bra, but it actually has a clasp at the back. And I also love the fact that it's just 2 little hooks. I hate it when you get hooks that are like 5 or 3 hooks, because your girl's only hooking on the top and then the bottom ones are like... I just want 1 hook, 2 hooks, and then done. I don't want to be like there for ages, like corseting myself up. This also comes with pants as well. Not gonna lie, guys, it's not the most flattering pair. Like, Gran, this is what you get. Sexy. So this set was £10. Oh my god, the hell expensive, what the hell? I picked up Gran some new pyjamas as well, because he keeps wearing the same old crusty ones. He put a hole in one the other day because his ass is so fat. Gran's got some fat ass. Gran, if you're watching, you got a fat ass. Don't. Then your girl picked up some more panties. I really needed some panties that were like undetectable, you know, when it has no seams. So I got some nudie thong ones. Sometimes, you know, you can't be showing your little panty lines, you know, your VPL. Yeah, cute. And then I also picked up some kind of shorts. Whenever I wear like flowing dresses, I want to be able to wear like little small shorts underneath, if that makes sense. So just in case the wind blows, it ain't gonna be like a whole fanny show up in here. And then I picked up some hair accessories. So you guys can see today, I'm rocking the My Kitch hairpins. This is in collaboration with Justin Marjon. I don't know how to pronounce the name, I'm so bad with accents. So I want to look like I've made effort with my hair by doing nothing, aka just putting in a pin. But I went to Primark today to see if they had any other cool jewellery, and I love Primark jewellery. So I picked up these little gold earrings. And then I also picked up some hairpins as well. This is silver hairpins. It has like little pearls in there as well. It just gives it a little bit more like funky fresh, you know. So cool and hip and young. And then I also found these, which I thought was really pretty. It's like rose gold. Oh, that actually looks really pretty. Like, this would be so cute for a photo if you have your hair up and you just want to put some like clips in there just to jazz things up. And then I also picked up this, which I thought was really cool. They also had this in like the heart shape as well. It basically has like a circle and a hexagon. So you basically slide it in your hair. It should be really easy, hopefully. I think it'll be like a vibe, you know, when you just jazz up your hair a little bit. It was only £1.50, so your girl splashed out. I treated myself, okay? Okay, I hope you guys liked my little mini haul of stuff that I picked up from Primark. Let me know if you guys like these kind of like casual chilled vlogs. I am off to go take off all my makeup now. My earring is literally itching my ears so much because your girl's allergic to fake jewellery. If you guys like this vlog, give me a little thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys. Hello, this is for the bloopers. Hello. Who's ready for Game of Thrones? Turn on your notification bells if you guys want extra points. Just saying, you know what I'm saying? A little nudge, little hint, you know? A little 1, 2. We need some more bloopers up in this bitch.
Quick thumbnail. Tilt the box a little bit. There you go. Quick, cross the road. Oh my days, you're killing me.
Things you do for the vlog. Do you want to see what your reaction is to the pyjamas I got you?
Why the shorts?
Because you need some shorts. I need your booty to be free. I got you a medium to boost your ego. Normally I get your ass a large. Oh, it's proper see-through as well. Oh my god.
The hell?
Oh yeah, because you right through that crap. Skid mark galore.
Ski mask, look.
You said ski marks. I thought you said skid marks. I was like, yeah. How did my life come to this? I was on such a good roll. Being all tidy and shit. I thought I turned a new leaf. I need my sister stat.